Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Chief Minister lays foundation stone for Yewduh market beautification. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates and distributes urban livelihood grants. Willpower, not just manpower, key to tackling influx, says Rimbui. And state gets 40 medical seats at USTM. Shillong Medical College awaits clearance. The news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today laid the foundation stone for the beautification and upgradation of Yewduh, Meghalaya's oldest and largest traditional market. The project will be implemented in 3 phases, with 5 crores allocated for phase 1 and 13.94 crores for phase 2 through the North Eastern Council. Planning for the 3rd phase is underway. The event saw the presence of Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong and other dignitaries, including traditional heads and district officials.
Prinsip masyarakat pernak development dan innovation bagi improvement juga Yewduh market. Ada mentang ladan ke phase 1 ke sedang ni mengili kini payment ni seorang stone ke cukai ke lanangyan. Kebapat minta kadi nak benda ki bandi kini utility docs kena bentuk of the municipal board kadi ke phase 2.
The Shillong Municipal Board held a foundation stone ceremony at the ritual site Yewduh, followed by a public event at the SMB parking lot. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma distributed financial assistance under the Chief Minister Urban Livelihood Grant (CMULG) to support small-scale entrepreneurs. The event was attended by Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tinsong and Sneawalang Dhar, officials and community leaders. Yewduh, part of Yewduh market, continues to be a vibrant cultural and commercial hub reflecting Khasi heritage.
Sangma engaged directly with local business owners to understand the practical challenges they face in scaling their operations. And
I think if everybody, all the 5,500 different shopkeepers and vendors, if we all come together and do our part, I'm sure that Yewduh will become one of the most beautiful markets, not just in Shillong, but in the whole of Northeast and the whole of India.
UDP leader and Amlaram MLA Lakshman Rimbui stressed that Meghalaya needs strong political will more than just manpower to address the rising influx issue. He cautioned that ongoing evictions in Assam could lead to dubious citizens entering Meghalaya and urged heightened vigilance. Highlighting concerns over repeated infiltration by Bangladeshi nationals, Rimbui called for strict law enforcement and constant monitoring. He also urged the centre to show flexibility in completing the remaining 59-kilometre of border fencing.
What is their motive, we don't know. So this is a very alarming trend which I see. But thanks to the general public, thanks to the villagers on the border area, we have seen that with the cooperation of the people from the area and also with the cooperation of the BSF and the police, we hope that this thing they will be able to tackle.
The state has been allotted 40 medical seats at the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya for this academic year, with screening and counselling completed by the Health Department. Principal Secretary Sampath Kumar said USTM's medical college is functional and seats have been given to state candidates. On Shillong Medical College, Kumar said the National Medical Commission has completed inspection and the state is awaiting centre's clearance. While faculty shortage remains a challenge, nearly 90% of the required posts for SMC's 50-seat intake have been filled.
Medical college is functioning as far as we are concerned. In fact, even the seat allocation also has been done based on the number of seats that they got for this particular year. So there is a proper allocation, and the seats also have been provided to the state candidates also.
The Meghalaya government is considering a Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme MHIS-like model for its employees to replace the current reimbursement-based system. Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Sampath Kumar said the proposal discussed is aimed at reducing delays and improving access to medical care. Kumar said talks with private hospitals have already reduced rejection rates significantly. Government staff cannot use both MHIS and reimbursements. On the recent Zika case, Kumar said it's not alarming with only one case this year and proper measures in place.
MHIS actually is a very good scheme. Like, in fact, many people are very happy about it because it provides cashless facility, and because you don't require to, if you have MHIS card, you can just go and get admitted and get the care. So a lot of the government servants, it takes a little time because they have to first invest themselves and get the reimbursement.
The Border Security Force Meghalaya has launched Operation Alert from August 10th to 16th, 2025 along the Indo-Bangladesh border to ensure tight security ahead of Independence Day. Conducted in coordination with state police and other agencies, the operation includes intensified area domination, 24/7 patrolling, surprise checks and riverine surveillance. Additional troops have been deployed and senior BSF officers are overseeing operations on the ground. The focus is on preventing illegal crossings, cattle smuggling and contraband movement. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma recently inaugurated key educational initiatives in eastern West Khasi Hills, sanctioning 15 lakh for the extension of Pindeng Umyong Presbyterian Secondary School and 3 lakh for its Silver Jubilee celebrations. He also inaugurated the new building of Manai Higher Secondary School following its upgrade and approved 25 lakh for further development. Emphasizing the importance of having a clear vision, the Chief Minister praised the dedication of school staff and urged students to focus on their goals.
And our nation, one. Let us celebrate this opening who have accepted our invitation.
I can announce today on this very wonderful occasion that I will contribute from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund an amount of 15 lakhs immediately for the extension of the building, and also I will give an amount of 3 lakhs to the organizing committee for the programs to be conducted for this next 1 year. It may not be enough, but it is a small contribution.
4 Trinamool Congress TMC MDCs, Cherak Momin, Pardinan Shira, Alphonsius Marak and Rinaldo K. Sangma joined the ongoing sit-in protest by the Non-Gazetted Employees Association NGEA of GHADC at William Point on August 13. The protest, which began on July 7, demands immediate release of 43 months of pending salaries, enactment of the Garo customary law and completion of a separate electoral roll. Speaking to the media, MDC Rinaldo K. Sangma said continue to support the agitation until the employees' demands are fulfilled.
2 more additional points, which is the enactment of the Garo customary law and completion of the separate electoral roll, which is being stalled in the DCA, which is the District Council Affairs in the state government, and the separate electoral roll, which has been kept in abeyance for a very long time. To send a message to the government of the state and the EC that until and unless these aspirations and demands are not met, we will continue our agitations and we will stand with our NGA employees.
The Hindu Trep Youth's Council, West Khasi Hills, has urged Deputy Commissioner Garrod LSN Dykes to increase the intake at Diet Nongstoin from 50 to 100 seats. Led by President Lumlang Karsimle and Vice President Jeremiah Dakar, HYC also called for fair representation from all 9 blocks in West Khasi Hills, Eastern West Khasi Hills and Southwest Khasi Hills. They highlighted that candidates from Rimuliang and Shalang blocks created 3 years ago have yet to be included. The DC assured that the issue will be taken up with the district level education committee.
Nam beladap lagi hajar tam di bawah apply hendai ke bayok longsang santung delegasi. Cina kalian ini tuan bertempat di DC, balah kamu bagian perkat mai ya kumlu ban penrung di samlah ketika school hangte ban pelu tu pentubit namta ban long kumkino hikai.
A 27-year-old man, Wanprang Sngi Semle from Nongkendang, Saiden, allegedly jumped into the Umtreu River near Bernihat Bridge to escape an angry mob after being accused of snatching a mobile phone. The incident occurred around 9 a.m. yesterday. Despite efforts by the state response team, fire and emergency services and Bernihat police, the youth has not yet been found. It remains unclear whether he managed to swim across or has drowned. Search operations are still underway. And here is an announcement. The Raj Bhavan Shillong will be open to the general public on 14th and 15th August from 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. All are cordially invited to visit and experience the historic premises during these hours. And a quick look at the weather report now. First, a look at the weather report for Tura. The minimum temperature recorded was 18 degrees Celsius, the maximum 23, and the relative humidity was 85%. 12 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 17, the maximum 23 degrees Celsius, relative humidity 85%, and 39 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. Meanwhile, in Jowai, the minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius, the maximum 23, relative humidity was 87%, and 12 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. The forecast for Tura, Shillong and Jowai says moderate rain and thundershower is likely to occur at most places. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Chief Minister lays foundation stone for Yewduh market beautification. Chief Minister inaugurates and distributes urban livelihood grants. Willpower, not just manpower, key to tackling influx, says Rimboy. And state gets 40 medical seats at USTM. Shillong Medical College awaits clearance. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.